So look at this beautiful car, man. I love the color. It's a deep maroon color. It's got a real fine metallic in it, and it is looking sweet. All that chrome's looking great. The grill's in beautiful shape. Headlight bezels look great. The emblems look awesome. The hood alignment is nice. She's just one beautiful convertible, man. These 68s are so sweet, and it being a 138 car means it was born as a super sport car. Great looking wheels and tires on it. The door lines are nice and straight. The rockers are blacked out, and the trim down there is looking sweet. Doors nicely lined up, and that line's nice and straight. Door handles in good shape. I always look at the door jambs. You see how nice and clean they are. Nicely painted. The rubber's been replaced. The door panel's in beautiful shape. Armrest looks brand new. All the cranks look like they're new. Look at that door jamb. Look how clean that is up in there and all freshly painted. Good looking steering wheel. Now those instructions you see hanging from the rear view mirror, that's starting instructions for the car. We got a center console in there. We got great looking upholstery on the seats. You can see there's seat belts there in the rear. The boot is on. It is a vinyl top. It is black. Check out our website at vanguardmotorsales.com for several pictures of the top up. All the gauges and everything are in great shape. Just one beautiful convertible right here, guys. All the trim back here looks good. The chrome on the rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Inside the trunk here, this is actually the bag for the boot. Looks like it's got a brand new spare in it, jack, nice coating there on the wheel wells and on the trunk floor. See how nice and clean everything is. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. The lips on the deck lid look good. The gutters around the opening look good. The rubber's in beautiful shape. When you look down the side of the car, look at that beautiful paint. She is gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we buy all of our cars. So we're laying out the money for the cars, so you can bet we spend the time and check them out before we get them here to the shop. When they do get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom can answer any question you have about this beautiful car. Now, we've got about 235 cars in stock right now, and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of picking all those cars out. So I'm going to put those years of experience to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this 68 convertible for a ride. It is a beautiful day for a ride in the convertible. This thing is sweet, guys. 1968 Chevelle. Top goes down, beautiful restoration, beautiful sound, beautiful day. Let's go get some ice cream. Let's head down to the car show. Let's win some awards. This thing is sweet, guys, and we can ship it anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He will tell you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Also, if you need some help with financing, no problem there either. We've got several bankers we work with. It only takes about 15 minutes on the phone with the banker, and we make that process real easy for you too. Tom will hook you up and do all the paperwork for you. All you have to do is make a phone call. Now, as you can see down here on the dash, the speedo's working. The tack's in the center here. It's that tack that goes up and down. Our gauges are working, and it's even got the 8-track tape player. If you just happen to have that tape of Johnny Cash, man, we're ready to play it. It's got the stock AM radio in it. And of course, it's got that music coming out of those tailpipes. Man, it is sweet music to my ears. That's all the music I need. I could listen to that all day long. Now, we're real close to the airport, and we invite you to please come on down and check out our inventory. We've always got new stuff coming in, and we're always looking for new stuff. If you've got cars for sale or trade, if you know anybody with cars for sale, please give us a call. We need all the help we can get. Hardest part about our business is finding quality inventory to buy. So call Tom. Now, we're going to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car up on the lift, and we're going to show you the underside of the car. Then we're going to pop the hood, and we're going to show you what's making that music come out of the tailpipes. Here's our building. We got 80,000 square feet with over 200 cars in stock. So stick with us. We're going to get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath our beautiful 68 now. Man, you can see it's got a brand new tank, great looking paint on the trunk floor, new bushings on the frame, mandrel bent exhaust, all welded up, looking good. The drop downs look good. All the bushings look like they're new. The guys will take the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. 12 bolt rear end, 373 gear. We just rolled it over, and it is Posi. We got some big old Flowmaster mufflers on here, keeping her quiet. Always check the bottom low spots in the frame here on every car you look at. This frame is phenomenal, and it's got such a nice coat of paint. I bet it just might be powder coat. It's either powder coat or just a good coat of paint. We got good looking rockers here. The floorboards look like they're brand new, and again, they're painted up nice. We got a brand new brake line, brand new fuel line running front to back, and we actually have 3-inch exhaust going into those mufflers. Stainless steel headers, 700 R4 trans. That is a 4-speed automatic. It looks like new shocks, new ball joints, new calipers, new bushings in the sway bar, new springs, new bushings in the lower control arms. All the steering gear looks good. The sway bar, it's all painted up, looking sweet. Core support looks good. Front frame horns are nice and straight. And again, you can see what the beautiful paint work here is on the frame here, looking sweet. Chrome bumper, looks like it's definitely new. We got good looking wheels and tires on here. The wheels are painted up good. The center caps look good. The trim rings look good. And we got two 35 60-15s here. And you're working our way down the side here. You can see nice and clean on the bottom of the front fender there. The rocker, look at that pinch weld, looking sweet. Look at the paint on that frame, beautiful. Now out back here, same good looking wheels and tire combo, but I do believe we got a little more rubber. Yeah, 275 60-15s. Always check this lip too, where that inner wheelhouse comes to the quarter. It looks good. The pinch weld back here looks good. Just a beautiful car. Now let's get under the hood and check out that 396. All right, under the hood here, we've got exactly what you want to see. It is a 138 car. Now, we have identified the block as a 396 and a 68 model. We do not find the numbers on here to match it up with the VIN. But again, the date lines up, the casting number lines up. It does have an Edlebrock dual plane intake on it, a Holley 4-barrel. It's a dual feed. It's got an electric choke on it. We got power brakes, power steering. The alternator looks like a rebuilt unit, and it does have aftermarket air conditioning, late model stuff. Real neat job putting it in. They've even went as far as doing a reproduction battery in the car. Cross flow radiator, everything in here is painted up nice. We've got GM markings on the hoses. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. The firewall's nicely painted. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. Even the fiberglass has been replaced in here. And look at the paint work here on the front fenders here. inside the engine compartment, looking beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we check these things out so you guys don't have to. So call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.